Going through a divorce can be a tough journey, especially when it comes to securing spousal support. In Texas, spousal support, or alimony, isn't automatically granted after a divorce. It's designed to help a spouse get back on their feet financially. To qualify, the spouse requesting support needs to prove their financial need. Factors like the length of the marriage and any disabilities are considered, along with the roles played by each spouse during the marriage. A Houston spousal support attorney plays a crucial role in ensuring fair outcomes. Skilled attorneys often negotiate settlements outside of court, saving both time and stress. They consider immediate needs and future goals, like job training, ensuring financial independence. But when negotiations fail, having an experienced attorney to argue your case in court is essential. They present evidence and argue persuasively, aiming for a fair decision on the amount and duration of the support. Life changes, like job loss or remarriage, may require modifications to support orders. Attorneys guide clients through these changes, maintaining fairness. If payments aren't made, they can enforce the order legally, ensuring agreements are honored. At Daniel Obede Law, we provide professional legal help that ensures you and your family move forward with stability and confidence. Schedule a free consultation today to receive trusted support from our spousal support attorneys in Houston. Visit www.expertsinfamilylaw.com.